What the? What's this? Guys, what is this? Wait, let me get a screenshot. What's this? Wait. I need to get sick touch.
Anong oras na?
I-24. Pickaxe. I need this. Now, I need enchanting table. And then silk touch. There we go. Whoa. I remember. It's anvil. Perfect. Let me make sure.
O, so yan.
Ano?
No, bigyan ko siya para marami.
I think I should not bake this, but what's this? But remember guys, this is what I found. I found this one. part 2. Bakit?
Para ba?
By the way, guys, we actually did it. I don't know how many subscribers do I have now. Yeah. Oh my. I think I need to can do it. You guys can do it. You guys can subscribe. And my mom will believe I can be a YouTuber and a content creator. So far, I'm still making my house. So far, I'm seeing a good results here. But unless the last time you guys saw some, unless if you see what happened in part 1,
Senso!
you guys will probably watch it first.
Senso! Wala senso. Ano ba din senso?
Shut up! Wala!
Yung sarap.
So guys, ngayon meron tayo ganito. Oh, I mean, or let's just say, hello guys, now we have this thing. Now, let's put blue stained glass. This will be perfect for our thing. Guys, can you guys teach me how to import our to MC to MC loader? I need it to actually make the what to put to put shaders on here because I bet it will look so ugly without shaders. I'm a fan of shaders, but because of me being on mobile, well, I get bad results. And also, Moljang, please bring back the old rendered dragon. I want to use my shaders again. Like and subscribe and like or subscribe or comment to me if you guys want to bring rendered dragon back. Old rendered dragon. I mean, like, Minecraft was still so good in those days where rendered dragon is actually working its own job, making shaders. But rendered dragon is limiting my 8GB Android 9 phone. 8GB RAM of Android 9 phone with each Oppo A31. I won't tell you guys the version, you guys might know it. And just guess exactly what model of my phone is. But guys, this is what it looks like for now. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna do something so important. Guys, today I'm gonna tell you, guys, also I remembered to say how tall should you guys put this building up. Let's count it. So basically 2, 3, 4, 5, put it exactly 12, also 12 by 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. But why is it not like this though? Oh, it's because of this. It's not technically a square. I just remembered. Wait. It's there, it's not. Oh, I see. It's because this thing are covering this too. See? Now, it's actually just perfect. Just unnoticeable. Just like this thing. Guys, by the way, what do Mojang mean about enchanting table needing diamonds for this? Wait, why does it actually look like diamonds? But it actually kind of looks like, doesn't look like it. Wait, what? There's a kind of step in this thing. It's actually weird for us. Actually, do you guys know that this thing is actually an entity? Yes. That's why it's interactable. By the way guys, I'm gonna cut this video